Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires, front all-season, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.